Oh, where am I? Oh, hey, okay, sorry guys, Realmeltan here, welcome. Today we've got something special for you guys. This is Martiangear's Cockpit. Let's review this amazing cockpit. Hey guys, welcome. So today we're now at Martiangear Studio. So first things first, if you guys do not know who Martiangear is, they work with Lego. No. So they are a technology company, but they also do a lot of gaming peripherals. So you can see these are gaming chairs. But these are not what we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about these two guys over here, the gaming cockpits. So this is the Martiangear, I say the Mini, and this is the Martiangear Pro. Okay, so first things first, my first impression is it may look very big, very impressive, but actually it's quite a good size. So according to Martiangear, you can fit this inside your apartment houses. So when it's fully open, it's about 21 meters tall and 60 meters long. It's targeted at mainly gamers, but we also can see a lot of people using, such as traders or even DJs who want to work with their triple monitor setups. So going to the triple monitors, you can see we have 3 27-inch monitors. You can put up to even 5 of those, fully customizable by Martiangear. Or you have 1 giant ultra monitor, depends on what you want. So another thing, if you like your details, your colors, you can also do so. You can put up all your favorite gaming characters, your boy band, your K-pop band, whatever. Martiangear will do that for you, but of course at an additional cost and additional recipes of course. So now let's go on to what's so cool about this automated gaming cockpit. So shook. Bye. Alright, so I'm now seated inside the full gaming cockpit immersion. So first things first, we have Forza Horizon 4 startup, but of course we're not going to talk about the game. We're going to talk about the full experience. You have the reading light over here, you can be turned on and on. Not your first class SI experience, but I think it works very well. For example, if you want to just do your reading at night or yeah. And also there's this RGB. Is it? You can see the RGB flying around. It should be outside. Yeah, so coming down here, you can see that we have also your gaming and your watering hole options. You can put up your favorite drinks in these two holes. And you can put your headphones on this headphone, what do you call that? Rest. So very good, for example, if people like some of you who tend to misplace your headphone, now you know where your headphones are after your game. Martiangear is working with Dreamcore, High Dreamcore. They provided a PC for them. I'm sitting also on the throne. This is the Martiangear Astronaut. According to Martiangear, you can definitely choose your kind of chairs that you want. If you don't want the Astronaut, you can select any of the other chairs that you see on your website. For myself, I think this is okay size for me. I'm not so sure if I want to get any bigger, but you can do so if you want to. You can see everything is a very strong, solid design. Everything is very riveted. Actually, you may think there's a lot of components when it comes to assembly, but Martiangear told me that actually it's quite simple. Even they are non-technicians, the founders themselves can do so. So it comes in 2 boxes, 1 big box for the base and 1 big box for the overhead thing, the head. So it takes up to 2 to 3 hours for assembly time, and yeah, it's actually quite easy to do. Should you ever want to do so, especially those of you who are staying overseas. Okay, so now we are at the back of the Cockpit Pro because I want to show you the amazing cable management system that we have on this console. So you can see that a lot of wires all hidden inside the cockpit. I love it very much. It's very clean design. Even though there's still some wires coming out from the PC, but it's not a big issue because Martiangear will definitely have a dedicated compartment to put your PC in the future, so don't worry about that. But as of now, this hole here, they say that you can put up to a mini ITX PC. I don't know how it works, but when they actually have that inside, I'm going to show you guys. These are the 4 USB 3.0 ports. As of now, for the base model, these are what you have. If you want to have your USB Type-C or even your Thunderbolt for your Mac monitors, 8K monitors, you can do so. Martiangear can also do so for you. And also another thing is, all of this fully customizable, like I mentioned earlier. If I want to have stereo speakers at the back, I can do so. Maybe a DJ console, I can do so. Of course, all with an additional price tag. Just now you see me done a lot of special like open and closing. How do we do that? Let's go on to the Magic Buttons console. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you how all this automation works. You can see here, this is the console. The cockpit closed right now, so I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's fully open. Then if I want, I can put this thing up, my leg rest. Okay. Then if I want my tray to come back to me, I can press this keyboard tray close. Okay. Then if I want to recline fully, I just press this thing called the 0G opening. This is where I started when I was sleeping just now. I hope right now you see that it's pretty awesome. I can imagine that once you get it, it's going to have a lot of time. Right, Martiangear. Let's not get carried away. The opening. Yeah, I've gone through the big guy, the Cockpit Pro. So now I'm seated inside the Cockpit Mini. There's still not a lot of price for this guy, so make sure to subscribe to our channel or go on to Martiangear's website where the price is available. But I'm going to talk about the price for the Cockpit Pro. So for Singapore, it's 5,888 Singapore dollars. Sounds a bit expensive, but I think it's pretty good because it gives you 2 years warranty and comes with free shipping and free delivery. If you are buying from overseas, it retails about 3,888 US dollars. Of course, no assembly there, but still got warranty. Okay, as mentioned that it may sound a bit expensive, but come to think about it, its competitor, the Predator version, is way more expensive. Also for the price that it comes at, I think it's okay because it comes with a chair, it comes with a very good service, comes with very good warranty. But of course, that does not include your PC and your monitor setup. Right, if you want me to review this mini version, write down in the comments and let me know if you want to see a review on that. So yeah, I'm going to close this with the motto from Martiangear. So Martiangear says that they want to include all of this cockpit inside every home. I love this idea because I can foresee that if you don't want to have just a regular table, you want to have a full work of viewing experience, this is an option for you. So if you want, you can go on to Martiangear website and order one for yourself. So with that, if you like this review so far, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And yeah, write down in comments if you want to get one of these for your home or you want me to review this Cockpit Mini. Thank you Martiangear for having me. So if you want to see any other reviews like for example this guy or their gaming chairs, also let me know and come back to my channel for every other awesome content. Bye!